Fun science experiments
Welcome
by Max
to
on
my
Tube.
laboratory. My la 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 la.
Hello everyone.
Today we did about Minion Bob and superheroes.
And actually Max is talking about today about
Volcano.
we gonna unbox the Mega Science Lab and
Hello.
the experiment, which is a giant erupting volcano. Whoa!
Hello. Hello.
Hi Cuckoo Babu.
Ah!
You gonna help us with our volcano? Let's see. That's how amazing this looks. Experiment Matt. Whoa!
We opened
It's
some
double-sided.
product. Look, Mom.
Yeah, I know. It's very nice. Feel and you put it on your table so it doesn't get ruined during the experiment. How neat! Ooh, and we got 3 sets of boxes here.
Okay, we got.
Chemistry, earth science, and a science magic.
Okay.
Whoa!
We counted all the bill is making science.
Let's do it. First is suggesting us to mold our own volcano. So let's dive right into it. So put this cup over here.
It's so
Rubber
little. Yeah?
It's not little.
What is this? It's bigger.
It's bigger. Okay, this is gonna be our mold. Gonna connect it over here.
This is so small.
It's gonna be a mid-sized volcano. Now we need to put the rubber band here.
Why?
So to hold it together.
Oi, you dropped it. Amogus.
Oh, it's tricky.
I just really want the time. They're freaking pig on the street. This. What are you throwing? He's seriously
Okay,
like
so great. I don't have a container, but I have a cup of water and I have this bowl. And we put a cup of water over here.
Why?
Because we are building a volcano, my little friend.
I'm painting.
We got a plaster.
Mia, I got it, cut the center. I got it. Please. Okay.
There you go.
Now hold the stand.
Then open. Gradually add your plaster to the water while stirring until your plaster is blended smoothly. Once your plaster is completely mixed, check where the consistency is thick like a milkshake but pourable. It normally takes 1 to 3 minutes. Okay.
Dump it all?
Yeah, but slowly. Yeah. What is the volcano? Our planet is made out of the layers. We live on the brittle outer layer, which called the crust. Beneath the crust is a mantle, a semi-solid layer of rock, and beneath the mantle is the liquid outer core, a deep pool of superheated liquid rock. The solid inner core made up of dense nickel and iron. That's pretty much how the structure of planet Earth looks like. The Earth's crust is not a solid piece of rock. Instead, it's made of a huge section called tectonic plates that float on Earth's mantle. These plates move very slowly, but where the plates come together, amazing things happen. These tectonic plates that our continents are made of sometimes move from one another, and where they spread apart, liquid rock called magma from the mantle can move up to fill the crack. Elsewhere, when the plates come together, one will slide below the other, a process called subduction.
Oh yeah.
And again, magma can rise up to the surface, and when magma comes to Earth's surface, it is called a lava. Oh, wow! I did not know that. So, parts of volcano have three basic features. Magma chamber, where the liquid rock wells up underground, a summit crater, where the lava exists, and the central vent that leads from the magma chamber to the summit crater.
Yeah.
It is so much fun.
Wait, Winnie.
So right now we need to wait for 40 minutes before our volcano holds together, and yeah, we'll come back to erupt it.
40 minutes later.
I need a break.
Well, we don't break it, babe.
Okay.
Anyway, what Babas wanted to say is that 40 minutes passed and we can take the plaster out and see the volcano mold that we created.
What?
Wow!
It's a volcano.
It is a cool
What is this?
volcano.
I'll put here that car. Ow!
All right.
Awesome.
I'm happy with our volcano. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the brushes aside now and all the paints. For that, we're gonna need an eruption powder, A and B, big scoop, water, and a measuring cup.
That's it.
We've got all that.
I got the big scoop.
You got a big scoop? Okay, so eruption powder A is a sodium bicarbonate,
Yeah.
and the powder B is a citric acid.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we already done something with the citric acid before.
Yeah. This is
I think we changed the colors of
And
it.
we did all the play about the other side. Bob Minion. Hero superhero.
Oh yeah, you are so right. So let's get to it. Add 1 big scoop of eruption powder A and eruption powder B to the top of the volcano.
Okay.
So show me the volcano top.
Over here inside.
Yes, it is the top. The inside. Okay, carefully get the scoop. Big scoop. Oh look, this powder is actually, I think you can add more. Add a little bit more. It's enough. This powder, so you can see, is actually a slightly copper color. And now powder B, the big scoop as well.
This big scoop. Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, it's like a salt. Add a little bit more. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Just a little bit. That's enough. And now, as the main part, we're gonna need to pour the water a little bit at a time. Stand back and watch out for the volcano to erupt.
Run.
Run for the water. Should we do it?
Yeah.
Should we do it? I don't know. Do you think we should do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Run. Oh, camera.
It's erupting. Come over here. It's bubbly. Do you see the bubbling reaction? Oh, that is so Wow. Why did it happen? happened? The bubbling lava is a result of a chemical of a chemical reaction between citric acid and the sodium bicarbonate in your eruption powder. I think that's enough, Bubbles. Oh, we're gonna have a flood. In this reaction, carbon dioxide gas is created, which builds up pressure in the lava chamber until it bubbles out of the top of a volcano. This is a good representation of what happens inside real volcanoes when they erupt.
Where got the soap?
Okay, that's a very good question, Max, because we're about to take this experiment to the next level, and we're gonna make this volcano pop and be loud and erupt super loud. For that, we're gonna need all our previous ingredients, pop crystals, and a bit of a dish soap. Oh,
Why are you eating? I want to eat.
hey, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's add several drops of a dish soap. One, two. Oh no, I already hear something. Bubbles, come back.
It's a rumble.
One,
Two.
I'm scared. I can hear the pop. Do you hear the pop? I can see the bubbles.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
It's blue.
It is erupting. Bubbly. It smells, and it does look like a cool, real erupting volcano, and smells like a clean dish soap.
Don't put the.
Whoa!
Let's put the harder.
I think that's enough. Look at this volcano, Max. Oh, do you hear the sound of its popping? Yeah, that's a really cool. The loudest sound on the record came from the eruption of the volcano on August 27, 1883.
Look. Do you see that?
Oh, it comes to all foamy like a real lava.
Yeah. Lava.
The Krakatoa volcano erupted with a noise so loud it could be heard from 3,100 miles away. It's like being in Los Angeles and hearing a noise from Boston. That is wild. It was the louder than a jet engine sounds when you are 100 feet away. Oh my goodness! What if we move it a little bit? Come on. Come on, reaction. We need a little more action. Whoa. Whoa. Do you hear the pop?
Yeah, it's bigger. It's me.
It is moving.
Look. I love it. I love it. Ah! Whee! Ah! I can charge it.
Whoa.
Ah! Oh, my skeleton.
It's going everywhere. What do you think, Max? Do you
Better.
like it?
Yeah.
Do you like the eruption of a volcano?
Yeah.
That is a very cool experiment.
Next crystal time.
The next video we'll do the crystal time?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll see you in the next video with the crystals.
Or those but we open the new science.
Say bye, everyone.
Bye.
Come over here.
Bye, everyone.
We'll see you next time.
We'll make another new science.
Yes.
You say you are mad if you like us by open this and go to the store and go to Disney Channel. You go there. Bye, guys.
Good job, Bubbles. I'm proud of you and I love our experiment.
Dear Dad, are you okay? Oh, it's a skeleton.
Yeah.
you like is next day.
Smells like dish soap.
I like it.
No. Very chemically.
Let's dump it. How fun!
I really liked our volcano experiment. Did you?
Yeah.
Keep cleanup time.
Hit like and subscribe to my channel for more toy videos.